African airlines really need to embrace disruptive innovation by creating an offer to all the different city pairs. And they should do it now. Why? Because otherwise they're going to lose years of economical stimulus.
Okay.
Once again, I think it's our task of all of us to make sure that all the stakeholders which are involved point their noses in the right direction, in the same direction, make sure everybody is aware of the importance of air travel.
The future for the airlines in Africa, we're not going to really have problems, but we need to address this concern to be able to move forward. At the end of the day, whether we like it or not, Stratum is here to stay. We must encourage countries to be part of it, and the earlier they get involved in this, the better for all of us.
That we gather, we typically open 100 routes per year. Last year we opened 155 globally. So we would really be strong advocates that whilst open skies as an innovative out there solution, we should go for it. The basics of the model really dictate that when you look at 10% extra flights into a region, 5% extra tourists come through, 6% extra GDP, and then you've got about 7%, 8% foreign direct investment.
Satellite communications can help create and enable secure and reliable air traffic management connectivity, which can help African carriers and inside and outside of Africa. We need to embrace new technologies, and we can see how technology has unlocked potential in other industries like music, TV, shopping, e-commerce. So it's no different in aviation. It's starting to embrace it and using that to move forward.
African carriers, they should consider innovation and disruptive innovation to make this market accessible to everybody. The thing is, in established market and regulated market, it's extremely difficult to change things without innovation. Why? Because innovation creates opportunities for new players and new actors.
Industries can be disrupted and bring in new markets with disruptive innovations.
Are there things we can do in the existing infrastructure? For example, there's 690 airplanes that are flying today in Africa. The airplanes that we're producing today are 20% more fuel efficient than the airplanes that are replacing.
Once you have a better experience at the airport, you're then encouraged to travel more. So these are some of the things that we are doing. We also have a phased approach as we look into this in the future. But for now, this is the most important thing. The airlines are looking to increase the travel, get revenue, and that's exactly the needs that we're addressing with our technology.